Alright guys, so consider three mixtures, the first having water and liquid A in the ratio 1 is to 2. So the first mixture has water and liquid A, I'll call it liquid A, La. They are in the ratio 1 is to 2. That means one third of the mixture is water and two-thirds of the mixture is liquid A. Similarly, guys, the second mixture has water and liquid B in the ratio 1 is to 3. So water and liquid B, the ratio is 1 is to 3, means one fourth of the mixture is water and three-fourths of the mixture is liquid B. And the third having water and liquid C in the ratio 1 is to 4. So one part water, 4 parts liquid C. That means one fifth of this liquid is water and 4/5 of this is liquid C. These three mixtures of A, B and C respectively are further mixed in the proportion 4 is to 3 is to 2. Then the resultant mixture has. Okay, so if the ratio is 4 is to 3 is to 2, guys, let us suppose the first mixture you are taking is worth 4 liters. The second mixture is basically worth 3 liters. And the third mixture is basically worth 2 liters. Hence the ratio 4 is to 3 is to 2. So now we will deal with these three mixtures kind of separately. 4 liters of the mixture, water is 1/3 and liquid A is 2/3. So the water content is 1/3 of 4 and the liquid A content is 2/3 of 4. So 4 by 3 liters of water and 8 by 3 liters of liquid A. Similarly, for the second mixture, the water content is 1/4 of 3 and the liquid B content is 3/4 of 3. That's basically 3 by 4 liters and 9 by 4 liters. And lastly, the water content in the last mixture will be 1/5 of 2 liters, 1 by 5 into 2, and the liquid C content is 4/5 of 2 liters. That's basically 2 by 5 liters and 8 by 5 liters. Now, the total water content is going to be sum of these three values, 4 by 3, 3 by 4 and 2 by 5. You can approximately take them. This is 4 by 3 being 1.3 recurring, 3 by 4 is 0.75 and 2 by 5 is 0.4. So the total water content right now when you mix them is 1.3 plus 0.75 plus 0.4. That is roughly 2.4 liters of water, roughly. Liquid A content is 8 by 3 liters, guys. Liquid A content is 8 by 3. That's 3 2s are 6 and 3 6 are 18 recurring, 2.66 liters. Liquid B content is 9 by 4 liters. That's 2.25 liters. And liquid C content is 8 by 5. 8 by 5 basically is 1.6 liters. Now let's look at the options. The resulting mixture has same amount of water and liquid B. Well, no. 2.4 liters water and 2.25 liters liquid B. So basically there is more water than liquid B, and that is the third option. Very clearly we have got the answer already. And let's look at the other options as well. The same amount of liquid B and C. No, it does not. We have 2.25 liters liquid B and 1.6 liters liquid C. They are not the same. More water than liquid A. Well, no, water is 2.4 liters here and liquid A is 2.6 liters. Okay. So this is one particular way of solving this question, guys. Now there is another way out if you want to eliminate the fractions. Once you get the denominators here and they are basically 3 and then 4 and then 5, you take the LCM of 3, 4 and 5, that is 60, and multiply all these numbers by 60 and you will basically land up with integers. That would make life a little bit easier. So the first mixture contains 4 by 3 into 60, 80 liters. The next is 8 by 3 into 60, and that will be basically double. That is 160 liters of liquid A. What about the water in the second one? It is 3/4 of 60, 45 liters. And the liquid B is 9/4 of 60, that is 135 liters. The third mixture is 2/5 of 60, and that's 24 liters of water. The remaining 96 liters is liquid C. Total water you can observe is 80 plus 45 plus 24. And that comes out to be 80 and then 69, 149 liters of water in total. And you can observe liquid A is 160 liters, liquid B is 135, and liquid C is 96 liters. Okay. And now you can compare this very easily with the water content. All right. And once again, we are going to land up with the C option. There is more water than the liquid content B.